What the going on over there? Hey, shut up! Jesus H. Christ. Oh, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Some of you may have noticed in the recent uploads something slightly different wobbling around at the bottom of your screen. And I can confirm that I have replaced Gandalf the Grey Remedy
I'm Gandalf
with a new whip. So here's a look at my new to me N4 Nomad. So my first experience with an M4 was on a bike trip to Dunedin back in 2021. And man, did I have a blast on it. Oh yeah. The trails down there are super fun and quite chunky, and that M4 handled the jandle really well. You can see why all the fellas and fellesses froth over these Santa Cruzes. Bike do anything. So the N4 has been out for quite a while now, so I'm not going to bore you all with the factory specs and propaganda, other than to say that this thing rips. Moving to a longer travel rig has been awesome to say the least. The N4 is right at home in any chunk or jank or rooty mess. You could say it's the most fun you could have with your mountain bike pants on. The bike does climb pretty well, but to be honest it gets a little bit bored on basic trails, so that's a pretty good incentive for me to pull my finger out and step up my game. This N4's got a few spicy upgrades. Hope Tech 3 levers and E4 calipers take care of the anchors. The front end squish is covered with this big burly Zeb Ultimate. And out back is a RockShox Super Deluxe coil. This is my first experience with a modern coil shock, and so far I am digging it. And I've recently just gone full weirdo on it with this sick Deity Speed Trap saddle and a matching head stem cap. Woo, that's fresh! I've carried a couple of things over from Gandalf the Gremedy, like this pimpin' Deity cockpit.
Pimp, I'm talking about pimping since pimping.
And these 40mm internal monster truck wheels for the aforementioned chunk and jank. These bud boys, along with these plus size DHF and DHR, are killer. So this is my new Trail Slayer. I've really been enjoying creating new trail content for the channel on this bud boy. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to keep up with the adventures of me and old mate Turkish here. So thanks for watching, keep it sunny side up, and I'll see you out on the trails.